Everything's up. Everything's up. They all up. Gold's flying. Take a look at my gold picks. Oh my goodness. Gold picks. My 3 gold picks. Those 3 flying. Those 3. Gold, Nova Gold, Kinross Gold. Woo! Flying. Hey man, if you like to smash, you know what to do. Smash it. Yesterday was the day to buy oil, man. All-time lows. All-time low. Gold approaching all-time highs, while oil becomes the buying opportunity of the century. Are you feeling good? And man, people that bought oil on that dip made a killing. People made an entire year in the last 2 days on oil. If you bought oil on that dip, oh my goodness. Feeling so good. But you know, we need to get our legs game up. We want to get our legs game up. If you like to smash, crush it, smash it, touch it, poke it, flick it, whatever you got to do. Just make sure you smash the like button when you walk in the room. Guys, do you guys hear Trump? Just listen to Trump. People don't want to listen to Trump. You should listen to Trump. People don't want to listen to Trump. I think you guys should listen to Trump, because Trump said, oil? Who ever heard of negative oil? Yeah, buy oil. Oil? Who ever heard of negative oil? Says the president. Yeah, we'll buy oil. Who do you think's buying the oil, guys? Who do you think is buying all the oil? Negative oil? Who ever heard of negative oil? We'll buy oil. Negative oil? Sure, we'll buy some negative oil. We'll have the largest reserves in the world. That's Trump. That's the businessman. And what do you see? What do you see with oil right now, guys? What do you see with oil? Come on, guys. Smash that like button when you walk in the room. Oil's at $14 now. Up 21%. Gold up almost $50. 1,737.30, up 2.93%. Global Dow green up 1.28%. NASDAQ green up 228 basis points, 2.77%. S&P 500 green 62 basis points, 2.29%. Dow Jones green up 457 basis points, 1.99%. Everything's great. Green Day. And speaking of green, have you guys seen Mind Medicine? Mind Medicine is having a day, folks. Mind Medicine now at 70 cents, Mind Medicine. Kevin O'Leary, Bruce Linton, your boy is an investor in Mind Medicine. Mind Medicine having a day today. Lots of volume. Stock is up with news. Let's take a look at this news here. Oh, but before I look at Mind Medicine and bring you the news, guys, and it is at 70 cents, by the way. Let's also take a look at AGG. So MMED and AGG, African Gold Group. I brought you guys this pick yesterday. Boom! African Gold Group up 12%. Let's go. Let's go. So African Gold Group's up 12%. MMED's up. What are we talking about here? We're talking about more winners? Yo. MMED is at 70 cents right now, up 7%. And African Gold Group, AGG, I brought it to you yesterday. It was up yesterday. It is up again today, another 12% at 28 cents. Let's go. And growing volume for African Gold Group. Just remember who told you about it first, though. Not second, not third, not fifth, and not 55th. But remember who told you about African Gold Group first. Could you do that? Could you do that? And if I was the first to bring you guys African Gold Group, and if you profited from African Gold Group, because I brought it to you yesterday, and I know you guys saw it because there's like 10,000 views on the video. African Gold Group, I brought it to you yesterday pre-market. Boom, it explodes after I do the video. It's up, and then the market goes down, so it went down. And what happens today? Boom, it's up again, 12%. Congratulations to everyone who took advantage of this move on African Gold Group, which I brought to you yesterday. So you literally just turn on Rich TV Live, you take a look at his picks, you get in, and you win. You know what I mean? It's just, should it be that simple? We've been talking about this for months. I like score, Antonio. I like the way you're thinking, man. We're on the same wavelength, brother. AJ says, thank you. Thanks to Rich. Up 2K on all trades, says AJ, in deep green. Hey, brother. We speak in the same language, AJ. We're speaking the same language. You know what, AJ? I like you, bro. I'm going to make you a moderator here. You're a good guy. So I'm going to add you as a moderator. I respect. Thank you, man. I appreciate you guys. Guys, 36 people here, 18 likes. That's 50%. We can do better than that here. Squeeze the like, touch the like, smash the like, caress the like. If you don't like smashing, caressing. Cuddling, cuddle the like. Cuddle the like. Love the like. Okay? Make one with the like. All right? Infinite says, I smoke the like. Hey, there you go, brother. There you go. Peter says, okay, I kissed the like. Peter, are you excited about trading with Antoine tonight, bro? How excited are you about trading with Antoine tonight? I just remembered we don't have a study session tonight, so we'll just be going straight to trading with Antoine late night tonight, 9:30 Pacific, 12:30 a.m. Eastern, London session. When the London market opens, we're trading. So if you guys want to know why I'm able to find winners every single day before the market opens, it's because I'm trading the London market before the New York market opens. And a little secret, the London market trades similar to New York. So if the market, if like the US 30, the Dow Jones is up for the London market, it's going to be up for the New York market, almost 99%. So you start to learn these trends and you start to know what the market's going to do before the market does it. So yeah, man. Peter says, I got a hard on since the morning. Let's go, champ. Peter's been killing it, guys. Get ready, man. Peter's ready to kill it. Hey, INO is another beast, guys. I told you guys about INO when it was at $2. Told you guys about INO when it was at $2. What about Mind Medicine? You guys know about Mind Medicine? So African Gold Group, AGG, and Mind Medicine. Guys, Mind Medicine. MMED. I'm telling you guys, they got some news. Let's take a look at this news. Psychedelic pharmaceutical company Mind Medicine develops LSD neutralizer technology to shorten and stop LSD trips. This is the big news. This is breaking news. Mind Medicine, MMED, on the Neo Exchange in Canada, MMEDF in America on the OTCQB in collaboration with University Hospital Basil's Liechti Laboratory has discovered and filed a patent application in the United States, preserving all worldwide rights for a neutralizer technology intended to shorten and stop the effects of an LSD trip during a therapy session. This discovery, when further developed, may act as the off switch to an LSD trip. Wow. This is huge. Huge news for MindMed. MindMed is the leading psychedelic pharmaceutical company, and the Liechti Laboratory is the leading research center focused on the pharmacology of psychedelic substances. This is the latest discovery based on surprising experimental results from work and collaboration conducted at the lab. The invention may help reduce the acute effects of a psychedelic drug and help shorten hallucinogenic effects when required by a patient or medical professional. One of the many fears and stigmas associated with psychedelics are rare occurrences of bad trips. MindMed is seeking to equip therapists and other medical professionals with the resources and technology to better control the effects of dosing LSD in a clinical setting to improve the patient experience and patient outcomes. This advancement paves the way for greater therapeutic applications of LSD and shorter acting psychedelic therapy treatments. MindMed believes this technology, when further developed, may one day be marketed as an added feature to shorten a therapy session and stop a session if the patient is not comfortable. MindMed co-founder and co-CEO J.R. Ron said, "The innovative and original work of the Liechti Laboratory is a treasure trove of novel data on LSD. We are just at the beginning of several significant discoveries that have the potential to further the application of psychedelics as therapeutic medicines. If developed, these discoveries will benefit both patients and therapists working in the psychedelic medicine space." MindMed gained exclusive worldwide rights to technology covered by the recently filed patent application based on inventions previously generated by the Liechti Laboratory in LSD and any future LSD research funded by MindMed. MindMed is developing a robust patent library of psychedelics-based technologies, which now includes this LSD neutralizer. The company operates under the principle that long-known psychedelic compounds themselves must remain in the public domain to ensure scientific innovation and to unlock the full extent of the medical benefits of psychedelics. Therefore, MindMed will seek to innovate, develop, and patent its own technologies that integrate psychedelic compounds and enhance the therapy potential. Efforts to claim previously discovered psychedelic compounds are proprietary, such as psilocybin or LSD, or contrary to bargain between innovators and the public. MindMed defines this bargain as a time-limited exclusive right for the patent owner to generate a return for funding the innovation in exchange for dedicating the invention to the public domain once the patent term has expired. MindMed co-founder and co-CEO Stephen Hurst added, "MindMed believes the true innovations will always be protectable, which is why MindMed is committed to investing in novel research and proprietary data around LSD and other psychedelics. We believe this latest invention is a good example of the work we will seek to patent and remain committed to understanding how pharmaceutical ingredients, novel methods of manufacture, new uses of older medications, proprietary formulations, and surprising experimental results can benefit patients." Wow. Guys, and MindMed, MMED, and like I said, in the United States, it's MMEDF. MMEDF in Canada, MMED in Canada, MMEDF in America. They've got Bruce Linton and they've got Kevin O'Leary. Those are pretty big names. Pretty big names. No, I saw how much you're up, Peter. It's crazy, man. I can't wait to see you trade, brother. You're going to kill it. You're going to absolutely kill it. And Antoine's a next level beast, so just get ready for that. Wow, uranium's up. UUUU's up 84% on the month. Damn. Wow. UUUU. Energy Fuels Inc. It's up 16% right now. Yeah, it's a nice looking chart. Man, thank you for your pick. What do you guys think about African Gold Group, AGG? I brought you guys this pick yesterday. They're screaming today, and love to know what you guys think about it. And what do you think about Mind Medicine? Another pick that's up that I brought you guys that has had some crazy dips to like 30 cents, and now is back to around 70. They got Bruce Linton, Kevin O'Leary. I don't know, man. I think they got the DNA to be a huge winner. Just saying. Michael says USO is halted. Okay. Antonio Cortez says golf is coming back and soccer is starting up this summer. So it looks like sports is coming back sooner than later. I hope you're right, man. Mullen says still love water, 63% growth in monthly sales from prior year, up again today, up over 100% since I told Rich TV. Hey man, thank you for that pick, bro. I missed it, man. I missed it, but I'm glad that they're making a big move, and I'm glad that you're winning, man. AJ says, I'm holding INO from 7 and still holding. Hey man, don't be afraid to take your profits, brother. Remember, they're being shorted by Andrew Left. All he has to do is put out an article. You never know, so just be careful. Mullen says, press release from water today. Research it. Okay. WTER. Alkaline water. It's up 7% at $1.12. Let's see, what's the headlines for water? Alkaline Water Company reports record monthly sales of 6.2 million, exceeding the previous record by 63%. Wow. That's big news, bro. Good call on that one. That's big news. Very good call on that one. Hey, man, I brought you guys MMED. Told you guys. Am I a billionaire yet? No, man. Just in my mind. Billionaire in training. Faisal says, Delta 9 seems interesting too. What do you think, Rich? I like Delta 9 a lot. I like Delta 9 a lot. Obviously, I've had them on my show a lot. I believe in them a lot, and I think that they're one of the most undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, real cannabis businesses out there. So, yeah, I like them a lot. And I like their management. I like their CEO, young guy, very sharp, very transparent, very aggressive. But smart at the same time, not aggressive to hurt himself or hurt his business or hurt his balance sheet. So really, really impressed with Delta 9. Green Bull says, finally bought me some Motive Ventures today. Been watching them since before their IPO. They nearly doubled my stake in RIN. Now HLTH, cut my losses. Nice. It was about $2.15 when I bought it. Supreme Elohim says, thoughts on QuestCap? Yeah, QuestCap is having a nice day too. It's another stock that I've been talking to you guys about that's been an absolute beast. QSC, guys, QuestCap. Absolute giant, was up earlier today. I guess it's back to 40 cents now. So it is down a little bit, but it was up earlier today and back to 40 cents. So I think that they're finding a floor. And I think that at some point, they're going to be an amazing buy. I don't like to tell you guys when to buy, but I'm really, really bullish on them. Guys, take a look at ALST. I've been talking to you guys about ALST. They've been bouncing around from like 25 cents to $1. So if you can get into ALST at like 25 cents, seems as though every time you get in at 25 cents, it bounces to like 85 cents, $1. It's only trading a little bit of volume, but it's starting to trade a little bit more and more every day. All-Star Health Brands. Keep your eye on them. They're at 85 cents right now. They were just at 25 cents. I know a couple of people that bought at 25, sold at like $1, and that's what they keep doing. So just keep your eyes on some of these stocks, guys. Just because I talk to you about them doesn't mean you go and you buy them immediately. Watch them. Put them on your radar. Put them on your watch list. Find the bottoms. Find the dips. I told you guys about Benton Resources. They're up today, 4.76%. I know a lot of you guys hold this stock. I hold this stock as well. I really believe they're going to explode at some point. Just waiting on the big news when air goes public. But they are up today to 11 cents. And I am a shareholder of that company as well. And MEK, another junior miner. MEK at 5.5 cents right now, I think is a buy, in my opinion, at these levels. I think that it has enormous upside. You can see the average volume is 742,000 shares. Today, it's only traded 136,000 shares. So it's really not trading. This is just people that are getting tired of holding it, and they're just selling. So there's just people just selling that don't really understand the story, that maybe bought it because they thought it was like a 1 day, 2 day pump or something. That's not what this trade is. This is a more of a long-term resource hold, junior miner that has holdings in a lot of resource companies. So I believe in them. I think they're going to make a move. I think they're going to double from these prices. So in my opinion, this is a buy. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Okay? I'm not a licensed advisor. You know, I can't guarantee anything in the market. What we can do is we're going to talk about it, and we're going to share picks, share ideas, share opinions, and I'm going to try to find companies before they explode. I found you Baby before it exploded. I found you AGN before it exploded. I found you Sona before it exploded. I found you QuestCap before it exploded. I found you Inovio before it exploded. I found you mRNA, Moderna, before it exploded. I found you CODX before it exploded. This is just over the last few months. I've been able to identify a lot of winners before they've exploded, and we're going to continue to find more. What I'm doing with MEK and what I'm doing with BEX are two undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed junior miners that are essentially being promoted by National Inflation Association. And they have a pretty good history of when they talk about a company, especially if they consistently talk about the company over a period of time, they have a very good history of eventually stock moves. And I'm very confident that these two stocks are going to move. Alfonso de Pena says, another mushroom pick, SHRMF. Yes, a lot of people have been talking about SHRMF. Let me look at it. SHRMF. People are always like, Rich, man, I want you to bring us a pick before it explodes. Why do you talk about picks after they explode? And I'm like, well, I think I bring you picks before they explode all the time. I mean, I do that every day. So then I bring you a pick before it explodes, and then you're like, Rich, why is the stock not moving? I thought you were going to bring me a pick before it explodes. Why is it not moving? Well, in order to get into a pick before it explodes, you have to buy it before it explodes. So chances are it's not going to move when we get in because we want to get in early. And then when it explodes, we're already in. So we're there for the explosion. That's called getting in early. If you jump on something after it explodes, that's called riding momentum. That's not getting in early. That's not buying something early, right? Like Zoomaway Travel, ZMA. I'm a big fan of Zoomaway Travels. They're at 3.5 cents. I think it's a buy at 2 cents. I think it's a buy at 2 cents, 2.5 cents. I think it's a buy. If you get it at 2 cents, 2.5 cents, there's a very good chance it's going back to 10, 15 cents. Very good chance, especially when this whole coronavirus is no longer with us and we're back to normal reality. This is a travel stock. So travel stocks are taking a big hit. This is one that's taking a big hit. I think at some point, if we can get it at 2 cents, it's maybe a little bit of a long-term play. But if you could get it at 2 cents, you might have to wait a few months, but there's a good chance you could sell at 4 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents, maybe even 20 cents in 6 to 12 months when things start to get better with travel. These are the types of plays that I like to identify for our community, right? And it doesn't matter if it's gold stocks. If it's gold stocks, I've been bringing you companies like AGG, right? I brought you that yesterday. And look at AGG today. Up 12%. I mean, this is what we do. We just do it all the time. And it's almost become second nature. So it really becomes second nature. So when stocks are down, that's when you buy. When oil is down, that's when you buy. When gold is down, that's when you buy. If you want to ride momentum, you can buy gold right now because it's got tons of momentum. Start with Barrick Gold, symbol gold in America, Kinross Gold, and Nova Gold. Those three are my babies. Like, I love those three. You can't really go wrong with those three. They're just absolute beasts, man. Absolute beasts. Just beasts. Thank you guys for joining. We got 54 people here, but 29 likes. We got to get our likes game up. We can do better than this. So just smash. If you like to smash, hit the like button. If you like smashing at all, smashing anything at all, breaking things, smashing things, even if you like to smash in a sexual way, just smash the like button. And if you've learned anything from any of this video, please smash the like button. If you've learned about a few new picks today on this stream, smash the like button. If you guys have any picks that you want to share with me, smash the like button. If you guys have any questions, if you like to learn something, smash the like button. If you guys would like to join the Trading Academy, smash the like button. If you guys are part of the Trading Academy, smash the like button. If you guys would like to learn how to trade and win, smash the like button. Why is oil up but HOU down? Well, HOU is a stock, right? So stocks are going to go up and down based on many different factors. Insiders, insider selling, funds, debt holders. So today might be a day for people to unload. They see oil is up, so people are going to be selling. A lot of people will be selling, right? So you have to think like a trader to be a great trader. You got to think, what would an institution be doing? When you see oil at all-time lows, don't you assume that all the institutions are buying? And when you see gold at all-time highs, don't you assume that institutions are selling? So that creates pressure, right? And gold right now, because it's going up, there's a lot of people making money on the way up, but you don't want to get caught buying at all-time highs. And we're really close to all-time highs. That's why we're having trouble getting to 1800, because every time we get to 1800, that's a selling point, because that's like all-time highs. So that's when you see institutions are more selling at that point because they don't know how high it's going to go. Mind you, a lot of people believe that gold's going to go a lot higher. Like, a lot of people believe gold's going to go a lot higher. A lot higher. And let's take a look at another company that I was interviewing, GMA. Geomega Resources that I interviewed yesterday. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. Geomega Resources is up 6%. So they're in the green too. So everybody that I've been talking about pretty much is in the green today. Let's take a look at Algernon, AGN, Algernon Pharmaceuticals. AGN been a dream. It's at 45 cents. I brought you this at 15 cents. It's up 200%. This was brought to me by Dylan Fraser. Shout out to Dylan Fraser, man. He brought me this pick at 15 cents. I did a video on it. They are up 200% since my video, from 15 cents to 45 cents. They've been absolute dream for investors. Absolute dream for investors. Oil still holding strong at 1441. Gold strong at 1736. Dow Jones up 462 basis points. Oil has never done what it did this week, just so everybody knows. Oil has never done in its history what it did this week. That was a buying opportunity of the century. Yeah, oil is still low. Guys, oil was at $66 in January. It hit minus $40 a barrel on Monday. Think about how historic that is. Everybody was talking about oil on every single news channel, every single business channel. It became front page news. Oil became something that people talked about again. Ed Hedges says, I'm buying IIPR again. Not a bad buy, but just be careful. They're being shorted heavily. You don't want them to be another Tilray. I would be careful, my friend. Very difficult for them to stay at those prices, but you never know. RD Sully says there's still a chance June oil contracts can go to zero, so be careful with the oil ETFs. Yeah, it's very, very risky right now. Be very, very careful. They're doing a lot of crazy stuff right now. People are going bankrupt in the oil sector, so it's a really crazy situation right now. And guys, the gold play that I talked about yesterday is AGG in Canada, AGGFF in America. And they're up 12% today. After I did my video yesterday, they had a nice move. They came back down like everything else yesterday. And then they finished, I don't know, they finished up a little bit yesterday, I guess. And now today they're up big, up 12% in Canada, 11% in America. African Gold Group, another company that I brought you guys first. I did an interview with Geomega Resources yesterday. They're up 6%. I brought you that company first. They're doing hand sanitizers, guys. I interviewed the company yesterday. What else? What else? Mind Medicine, I brought you guys that. They've been having a nice day today. They got some big news, and they're up 6%. So lots of moves, a lot of moves in the market today, guys. A lot of green in the market. Gold stocks are flying. Kinross Gold. Let's take a look at Kinross Gold. Wow, Kinross. Just killing it. Kinross at 947, up 7.49%. Absolutely screaming. Barrick Gold up 6.61% at $26.46. Screaming. Nova Gold having a day. Nova Gold at $12.18, up 6.47%. Gold stocks are just screaming. And I've been giving you guys those picks for months, and they just keep screaming. It's wild. It's just wild what's going on with gold. Wild. Absolutely wild what's going on with gold. Peter says, I like AGG. GRB up again. Nice picks, brother. Faisal says, what are your top picks for the rest of the week, Rich? Same picks that I've been talking to you guys about. It's the same picks, man. Just the same picks. I stick with the same picks. I just watch them, and I buy the dips, man. Those gold plays, they're gold, man. They are like literally gold. Nova Gold, Kinross Gold, Barrick Gold. Those three are my big three that I love. They're affordable. Best three gold stocks out there, in my opinion. Up-and-coming gold plays, MEK and AGG, I think are going to be really good plays. And obviously, AGG is already doing well for investors. And Palladium play, BEX, I think that they could do something really big here in the next few days, if not next week, the latest. I think there's going to be some big news for them. So I got a lot of plays, man. We got a lot of plays that we're looking at. Baby has been doing extremely well. They just keep going up nonstop, and everyone keeps winning on Baby. I know a lot of people have made a lot of money on Baby. They're up 5% again today at $1.18. So Baby has been a good winner for our community. And if you guys want to look at big stocks like Visa having a nice day today, up 3%. Mastercard. These are the big boys that I like, right? Mastercard having a nice day today, up 4%. Solid day. Yesterday was a dip. If you bought that dip, you could be in the green today. So there's a lot of moves in this market because this market is highly volatile right now. Gold is screaming up, guys. Gold is up $50. And the market is actually just pointing right up right now. So the market is very, very bullish right now. Extremely bullish. Extremely bullish is the market right now. I don't know if you guys are watching, but CanTrust is blowing up. CNTTQ. Are you guys watching CanTrust? You guys got to watch this. This thing's wild. So CanTrust got delisted, and ever since they got delisted, they've been making a big move. They've been making a big move. HLTH is down. Let's take a look. CanTrust, guys. Take a look at CanTrust. Take a look at CanTrust, guys. This thing has been making a big move, man. Very quietly making a big move. Yeah, I think with a company like Global Care Capital Inc., they've made a really big move to get to these prices. I think what you need to do is just be patient and just find the dips, find the bottoms. Don't chase it. Don't chase it in the green. Don't chase anything in the green, right? You want to buy things when they're down. Buy them when they're down, and then when you're up and you're in the green, that's when you sell. Buy low, sell high. Keep that simple strategy when you trade, and you will have success. There's no doubt about it. And invest in the best. You'll be blessed. If you keep that simple strategy, you will have success. Another one that I'm watching is ITKO. It's another gold company, also from National Inflation Association. Right now it's 17 cents, up 6%. That's one I've been watching since it went from 8 cents to 21 cents. And just watching BEX, it hasn't really done anything yet. Like, National Inflation Association hasn't even done anything on this stock yet. It's traded 221,000 shares today. It's up 4% at 11 cents with two really big candles. I think with some news, we could see BEX really make a move. Like, really make a big move. Like, push 15, 20 cents. That would be nice. Happy Earth Day? Hey, man. Let's protect our Earth, guys. Wow, look at you guys. 47 likes now? Love you guys, man. Love you guys. Yo, what's up, Luis? Are you excited about Antoine tonight? Faisal says, watch out for Balance too, Rich. I think it's a solid pick. Yeah, I like Balance. Just don't see any momentum in the cannabis sector. That's the problem. I see way more momentum in gold. Way more momentum in oil. I just see more momentum in those sectors. United Battery Metals is starting to pick back up. NWES is flying. Let's take a look at NWES. NWES. Gaming stocks, man. People at home gaming. Oh, wow. NWS, look at that. They're back to 9 cents. Whoo, that is a big move. So NWS, guys, New Wave Esports, has made a move from 2.5 cents. Whoa. Like, Monday they're at 2.5 cents, and today they're at 9 cents, guys. So they've just made a move in 2 days. 3 trading days, I guess. They just made a move from 2.5 cents to where they are right now at 9 cents. So absolutely, guys. New Wave Esports on full alert. It's traded 4 million shares. Wow. 4 million shares at 9 cents and up 38%. Now, I wouldn't chase them now, but man, anybody who got in at 2.5 cents, that was the buy of the freaking century, because you're up like what, a few 100% now in a couple of days. What a trade there. What a trade. Good find, Infinite. That was one of the companies I did a video with. I interviewed them. I've always liked them. They went down, and now they're making a move, so it's good to see. Luis can't wait. Hey, yeah, me neither, man. I'm excited. It's going to be a good trading day. Kyle Lowe says they're opening up plants recycling lithium. Oh, that's really good. Green Bull says Game just made a sweet acquisition. Game? Is that a gaming company? Game. Torque Esports Corp. Interesting. 46 cents. Hey, thank you for the pick, man. I'll add them to my watch list. Game. Moda's up 2.9% today. So we're seeing a lot of stocks up today, guys. A lot of the stocks that we talk about are up today, guys. Having very nice days so far. Mind Medicine is up 11% at 70 cents, traded well over 1 million shares today. So Mind Medicine doing really well today. MMED in Canada, MMEDF in America. Let's try to pull up the US symbol here. See how much volume is on the US symbol. So yeah, 646,000 shares on the US side. Mind Medicine, guys. MMEDF. MMEDF. Up 10% in America. Market's strong, guys. Market is strong and is climbing. Market is strong right now. NWES full? Yeah, I wouldn't be chasing them at these prices. 2 cents would have been the time to buy them. How about WLL? Yo, what's up, Brent? How you doing, brother? WLL. Whiting Petroleum Corp. Up 87%. Damn. Yeah, man. Huge move there. Wow. Talk about a nice one-day move, eh? WLL. Up 80%. Wow. These oil stocks, man. This thing was at $25 a year ago. It's now at 71 cents. It was at 25 cents. Unbelievable. As high as $29 actually in the last year and as low as 25 cents. Currently at 71 cents. WLL, guys. Wow. Thank you, Brent. Yeah, WLL looks crazy. Pasha's market cap down to 890,000. Yeah, that's crazy. Brent says, watch SONN and UAVS. SONN and UAVS. Sonnet Biotherapy Holdings. Okay, and UAVS. A Eagle Aerial Systems. 58 cents. Thank you, Brent. I just put them on my watch list. WLL looks ridiculous. Looks absolutely ridiculous. Very happy about AGG. African Gold Group. 28 cents, up 12%. I did their video yesterday. Very happy. Very happy right now. Very, very happy right now. It was at 24 cents yesterday. So it's at 28 cents now. So if you bought it yesterday, I mean, you're up like at least 10 to 20%. So I'm very happy about that. Very happy about that. And I'm happy about Bex right now being up 4% at 11 cents. And it looks like they got a lot of momentum here. So it'd be nice to see Beck even go higher. Let's see if Bex can go higher today. That would be really cool because I know there's a lot of members of the community in on that stock. And Mind Medicine is up today, and I'm in on that. I know there's a lot of people in on that too, and it's nice to see Mind Medicine up today. So it's just nice to see that we're having a big green day today. A lot of green in the markets, a lot of stocks doing extremely well. Companies that I've talked about a lot, Inovio doing extremely well today. INO up 18%. Another one that we've talked about a lot at length. Kinross Gold now up 8% today. KGC just keeps going, guys. It doesn't seem to want to stop. It's Nova Gold here. Nova Gold up 6.64%. It doesn't want to stop. Barrick Gold, symbol gold on the New York Stock Exchange, up 6.5%. They don't want to stop. So a lot of our picks, specifically gold, have been screaming right now. And oil, if you got in yesterday on some oil plays, you're probably selling today or very happy today. Car sales lady says, got some FSX.V today. Nice work. Green Bull says, AGG is my favorite African gold miner. Hey, man, they're doing well right now. Brent says, DYNT and HEPA, HEPA. Wow, is AGG up 16% now? What? AGG? Yo, AGG. Is that our new community pick, guys, or what? Holy snap! AGG is at 29 cents, up 16%. Let's go! AGG, guys. AGGFF. I told you guys, my new secret gold stock. Oh my goodness. This is good stuff. This is good stuff, guys. I like this. I like this. I get excited when I call a trade and it goes up and people win. That gets me excited, man. It gets me excited. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I hope people are taking advantage of these moves, man. I really hope people are taking advantage of these moves, man. Really hope people are taking advantage of those. I know people saw that video because I got like 10,000 views yesterday. My AGG video, man. AGGFF in America, AGG in Canada. AGG in Canada, AGGFF in America. It is absolutely on fire. Brought it to you yesterday. It was at 24 cents. It's now at 29 cents. Screaming. The price of gold is screaming, and gold is screaming, and gold miners are screaming. AGG, AGGFF is screaming. I told you guys yesterday, they were my #1 new secret gold stock. And once again, we've delivered another winner for our community. Feels good. It feels good. I hope you guys are enjoying it. And I hope you guys took advantage of it because it feels good. It feels good to see the people winning. It feels good.
Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. The resurrection is
You guys want to trade with me? You want to join me at the academy? Email me, man.
You're not watching. It's true. Your boy brings you winners.
We'll be trading live tonight with the squad.
Because the cannabis stocks, they can explode.
Should have been gold
That's
stocks.
right. They're going to explode.
Gold stocks are going to explode. That's right. They're going to explode.
Make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses. If you know how to analyze businesses and value businesses, it's crazy going for Rich TV or 30 stocks. Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Like me.
Companies and businesses that you can see still being successful 20 years from now. That's the model. Invest in the best, invest in blessed, and invest in companies. We've identified the #1 pick. And if you've been buying Truly for the last 5 months and riding the wave, you're up
FF up 11% in America. AGG. African Gold Group up 14% right now in Canada. This is good, man. This is good. It feels good. It really feels good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It feels good. It feels good to win. You know? It feels good to win. Faizo says, what would you say is a good price for African gold? Well, I mean, when I brought it to you guys yesterday, it was at 24. So that was the time to get in. Now it's at 28 and a half. It was just at 29. So I don't like to tell people to chase anything. That's up to you guys. Remember, we're strictly for education, entertainment purposes. I'm not a licensed advisor. I'm not here to tell you when to buy or sell anything. You guys need to make your own decisions about when you want to buy and when you want to sell. And you need to identify the bottoms of companies you want to invest in and buy them low. And when then you see profits, you sell. Buy low, sell high, keep it really, really simple. If you do that, you too can become a great trader. Yeah, Baby had an amazing run because Baby was worth way more than 47 cents. So when Baby hit 47 cents, that was a buying opportunity. Just like oil. While everybody was panicking and talking about oil being at minus 40, that was a buying opportunity. So everything came up from that bottom. A lot of oil stocks are still down tremendously. So a lot came up from that bottom, but they're still not back to where they should be or where they will be in the future when the price of oil goes back to a normal state. But right now, the price of oil just, if we maintain this price of $14 a barrel, the entire oil industry will go bankrupt. That's a fact. The entire oil industry will go bankrupt if we continue to maintain this price of oil. So we cannot maintain this price of oil. We actually need to have the price of oil go to at least $50 to $60 in order for the industry to be profitable. And I believe the industry will be profitable. And I believe that oil will be a part of our world. It's just that we got all the cars sitting at home right now. I know I filled up my tank like a month ago, and I still got 3/4 of the tank. So if nobody's buying gas and planes are not flying, then there's all this extra oil. And what are you going to do with all the extra oil that you can't sell? Right? So this is the problem. That's why the price of oil is going down. It's just a simple supply and demand issue. Hey, how you doing, Robert? Good to see you, brother. Corona Wire US says, oh my God, New Wave Esports killing it. 100K at 3 cents just sold. Nice job. Nice job. Got into New Wave Esports at the bottom. Genius trading. Infinite Possibility says KLY just shot up 33%. I love KLY. Did you take it? Did you take your profits? FSX. What is FSX? FSX. FSX. FSX is up 12% today. Interesting trade idea. Oh, another company that's doing extremely well today is Snapchat. Snapchat had strong revenues and earnings growth, and Snapchat is up big, 26% today. Whoa, 32% Snapchat is up now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable. Snapchat is up 32%, guys. 32% for Snapchat. Let's take a look at the markets and see if I can help you guys find a couple other big winners today. Wow, Snap is one of the biggest winners of the day. Hey, Brent, Bohr is one of your picks, right? They're having a big day today. BORR. They're having a nice day. Wow, the Dow just broke over 500 points today. It's huge. Big green day, guys. Big green day. Dow's having a big green day, guys. We're up over 500 points. Bohr is having a nice day today. Faisal says, rolling a blunt for Earth Day. Hey, man, if you got them, roll them. AJ says, taking a bong hit for Earth Day, guys. Hey, man, take a bong hit for Earth Day, man. The plant comes from the earth. Faisal says, looking to buy some stock, everything green today. Yeah, it's a tough day to buy when everything's green, for sure. You want to be buying on those red days. AJ says, I hold Bohr. Are you up on it? Because if you're up, you should always think about taking profits, guys. Getting cash. Cash is king. It gives you more resources for the next trade idea. What else, guys? Is there anything else you guys are looking at? We've been live for almost an hour. Thank you guys for the 56 likes. I appreciate you guys. Is there anything else you guys are watching today? The market is just screaming right now. Anything else you guys are watching today? A lot of stocks making moves. I'm going to go back to a couple more trades, but lots of moves in the market today. What are you guys looking at? What's on your watch list? What's on your radar? What are you guys thinking about? What's on your mind? INO having a monster day again today. Take a look at INO, guys. INO having a monster day again. So despite being shorted by Andrew Left, INOVIO keeps making a move. Robert Singh says QSC down to 37 cents. Remember, I brought you guys QSC at 15 cents. It went to $1. That's the time you want to buy it low and you want to sell it high. Now that it's getting to these lower levels, guys, what these are buying opportunities. But what you want to do is you want to see how low it's going to go. You want to see exactly how low it's going to go. You don't want to rush to buy it. And you want it, if you are going to buy it, you want to buy it as low as humanly possible. Because we've seen this stock go to $1, which means we could see it go to $1 again, just like Baby did. And Baby's made moves to 30 cents too, and then it shoots back to $1. QSC could be a very similar trade where you're going to see them shoot down to 30, 40 cents, shoot back up to 50 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents, $1. So just be careful, trade with caution. And when you see a lot of volatility and you see stocks like QSC go from 15 cents to $1 and then back to 37 cents, it's trying to find its floor. Let it identify a floor. Don't just jump around and buy anything. You want to buy it low, sell it high. If you bought QSC at 15 cents and you sold it at $1, that was a perfect trade, right? Now you're waiting for it to find the floor again, waiting to find the bottom, position yourself and ready for the next move. The question is, it's come back down from $1 to 37, so how much lower is it going to go? So you want to be patient and you want to hunt it and you want to find the absolute bottom. Faisal says, Baby has been giving me good profits, did some great swings on it. Yeah, AGG is doing great today, man. So is INO. INO screaming up 18%. Really happy about that. Suncor Energy, guys, is having a nice day. They're up 5%. I think we may have found the bottom on Suncor. Just a consistent day all around. Like a lot is up. There's a lot of stocks that are up today. Visa is screaming up. Really, really big green candles right now on Visa. And Mastercard also climbing really strong, almost 5%. Huge green candle on Mastercard right now. Huge green candle on Mastercard. Very close to the high of the day right now is Mastercard. Big green day today, guys. Huge green day today. Hey, Corona Wire, thank you. I appreciate you. Corona Wire with the $50 donation. Thank you. I really appreciate you. So much respect, man. So much respect. Oil APA. Thank you, Mark, for your picks. Randy Webb says, what's going on, Rich? Love the value you are providing. Powerful. Hey, thank you, Randy, for being here, man. You know what, Randy? I'm going to make you a moderator here. So if you ever come in here, you're going to have a wrench. Guys, I don't know if you guys know, but Randy Webb is a chairman in our academy. He is a chairman 25, which means he is earning 25,000 US a month or more residual at his level in the trading academy. And he's actually here right now joining us on a live stream. So thank you, Randy, for being here. We're talking to the market right now and everybody in our community about the stock market right now. And we're talking about what is happening in the market. And right now, oil is up 20% today. Price of oil is $13.89 per barrel. Gold is up $49.60 today, up 2.94% at $1,737.20. And all the markets are green. The global Dow is up 35 basis points, 1.43%. The NASDAQ is up 246 basis points, 2.97%. The S&P 500 up 67 basis points, 2.46%. And the Dow Jones up right around 500 basis points, up 2.16%. So huge green day. And if you're in the trading academy, what that means is you do not want to be shorting the US 30. You want to ride the momentum. You want to go with the momentum. You want to be buying the US 30, wait for the dips, buy the lows of the day, and then ride the momentum up because the momentum is going up today. So you don't want to short momentum. Momentum in the market is up. If you're in the trading academy and you're trading oil, you don't want to short oil. You want to buy oil today because oil is going up, but you want to buy the lows of the day. You want to sell your profit. You want to sell the highs of the day, buy the lows of the day, but you don't want to go against momentum. You don't want to short oil. You want to buy oil. You want to buy gold. Gold has got tons of momentum today. Gold is going up. You don't want to short gold. You want to be buying gold. You don't want to go against a tsunami. You want to be with the momentum of the tsunami. If you short a tsunami, you get swallowed up. If you're on the other side of the tsunami, you win your trade. That's the whole thing that we're learning at the Trading Academy is how to make the most of momentum, how to maximize momentum. And when momentum is happening and there's momentum in gold, you're buying gold. When there's momentum in oil, you're buying oil. When there's momentum in stocks, you're buying stocks. However, if you're investing in stocks, different than what we do in the academy, which is trading futures. With futures, you're in and out. You're like a sniper. You're like a ninja. You're in and out. You're in, you're out. You're in, you're out. You want to be in and out, right? Usually anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, a few hours max per trade. When you trade stocks, what you want to do is you want to date the stock. You want to watch it, learn its patterns, get to know its news, get to know its revenues, its liabilities, its losses, its gains, its management, its trading patterns, trading history. And what you do is you watch it, you date it. And every time you see it get really low, like every time you see Visa get low, you buy Visa. Every time you see Mastercard get low, you buy Mastercard. Every time you see American Express get low, you buy American Express. Those are the three of the best companies you could buy in America. They got tons of money, and everybody has a credit card, and everybody has debt. Almost everybody. Even the rich have debt, which means that Visa, Mastercard, and American Express are just swimming in money. And because they're swimming in money, they're going to keep swimming in money. So you buy those, but you buy them when they're low. The other advantage of buying those great companies that are swimming in money and companies like FANG stocks, you hear FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, and I also like to throw in Tesla. When you buy the FANG stocks and you buy the Teslas, the millennial type stocks, these are the companies that are the strongest, most powerful companies in the world right now. Netflix, beast. Facebook, beast. Amazon, beast. Google, beast. Apple, beast. They're all beasts right now. Not 20 years ago, right now. Those are global beasts. You can't really go wrong with those. So what you're doing is you're just watching them, and every time you see the market crashes or they're really, really heavily sold, that's when you buy. And then when you see they're at all-time highs and it's like the highest the market's ever been and they're super, super green, that's when you sell. And that's how you become a good trader, when you learn how to buy low and sell high. Alberto Ramos says kat.to, Junior Mining Rich. Yeah, you know what? I know that company very well. I'm not a huge fan, but you never know. You never know. Mark Pitkin says APA up 8.5%. Hey, thank you, Mark, for sharing. Randy Webb says, appreciate you, brother. You got next. I hope all know that you are the guy to plug in with for sure. Yeah, guys, like Randy said, if you guys want to learn how to join the Trading Academy, just email me. Randy Webb is the man. I'm only a Platinum 1000. You know, Randy Webb is a Chairman 25, and he's here with us and making 25,000 US a month, and he's here on our live stream. I mean, that's the support system of the Trading Academy. I got guys like Randy Webb supporting me. I mean, that's why we're creating success, and we're going to continue to create success in the Trading Academy. Robert, we're not having a training tonight. We're going to have a trading session tonight live with Antoine, which will be late. It'll be 12:30 your time, 9:30 my time. But we're all going to be there on the live training session tonight. So I'd love to have you there. We usually have a training on Wednesdays, but we're not this week. We're going to start that as of next week because Monday was our last training session for our trainings this week. But if there are some trainings, maybe Randy will have a training at 7. There may be another training happening at 7 tonight. If there is, I'll let you know. But I would love to get you started trading tonight, Robert, with Antoine, if you can. Yes, Randy Webb is a boss. And not just a very successful, huge member in the Trading Academy, but also just a really great guy and very down to earth and always willing to help. And I mean, look, I'm not even talking about the Trading Academy, and he's supporting watching our live stream. That just goes to show how great of a guy he is. Shane says, hey, Rich, what's up, bro? Looking for some cheap penny stocks to buy. Any suggestions at all? Yeah. I think Zoomaway Travel, I think, is approaching a buy. I think MEK is a good gold junior miner. I think BEX is a good palladium junior miner. I like ITKO, which is another gold miner. Who else? Obviously, AGG, African Gold Group, which I brought you guys yesterday, which is up today big. Another junior gold miner. All junior gold miners, all penny stocks that I'm looking at every day. A lot of our members are buying. I do own MEC and I do own BEX. And there's a lot of others, but that's all I could think of off the top of my head this second. Oh, MMED, Mind Medicine. They've got Kevin O'Leary as an investor, and they got Bruce Linton on their board. They just had some huge news today, and they're up today too. I'm not suggesting you go and buy these stocks, Shane. What I'm suggesting is put them on your watch list, put them on your radar. If you see they're at a bottom, maybe then buy them. And then when you see some green, take your profits. But right now, I think gold is hot. So I'm looking at junior miners, and not just gold, but gold and silver and palladium, precious metals. GMA is another company that I interviewed yesterday. They're doing well today. They're in the metals recycling. So lots of companies right now that we're looking at, specifically miners, that I believe are very, very, they have a lot of upside right now. How about oil stocks? Are you familiar with VAL at all, or RIG or HAL? Thanks. Yeah. VAL. Volaris. 33 cents. Wow, that one's really down, eh? Volaris. Holy smokes. Let me add these to my watch list. Yeah, this looks really beat down. VAL. Rig. A good symbol, rig. Trans Ocean. Rig is at 97 cents. Pretty close to the bottom there too. That looks like a pretty good trade too. I don't know these companies like that well. Halliburton, obviously, I know them well. They're one of the bigger giants out there that's been getting beat up too. The Bush family heavily involved there, up 9% today. So yeah, Halliburton was down at $4, been as high as $20 in February. Now at $8. Yeah, Halliburton's a great buy. I would say Halliburton out of the three is the best in my opinion. I'm not as familiar with the other two, but I think all three have some potential. But if you're looking for oil stocks, like I like Suncor, I like XOM, I like oil. Those are three of the picks I like. I keep finding more. So I'm going to make a list and maybe make like a top 10 oil, top 10 gold. I got to make a list for you guys. And we're going to really start focusing on oil stocks and gold stocks and all the different stocks. How about OXY? I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about OXY. I haven't traded it much. Haven't even looked at it much. Up 4% today. Hit a low recently of $9. Been a high at 47 in January. Yeah, so definitely looks like it's taken a beating here. I'd have to research them more and just learn more about them. Guys, the Dow Jones is just screaming. Just screaming. The market is just screaming right now. We're having a big, big, big green day. Yeah, the smaller the stocks are more risky. So when you invest in bigger companies, you're going to have bigger returns. You're going to have safer portfolios. And you're going to actually have bigger returns over time when you invest in bigger companies. So that's why I'm really focused now on educating our community to buy Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Bank of Montreal, Bank of Nova Scotia, RBC, Royal Bank of Canada, CIBC, TD Bank, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan. And I'm not suggesting you buy them today. Watch them. Put them on your radar. Put them on your watch list. If you see the market crash over the next couple months, which it could. I hope it doesn't, but it could. If it does, that's when you want to get in. That's when you want to position yourself. Just like how oil just had this massive crash, that's when you get in. That's when you position yourself. Oil's at the lowest it's been in 20 years. It is the biggest drop all time. That's when you want to buy. That's when you position yourself. That's what snipers, that's what ninjas do. That's what the best traders do. They dream and wait for those opportunities. And when those opportunities present themselves, they pounce on it. The reason why I'm such a better trader now within the academy, I have more tools. Before, I was just trading stocks. Now I'm trading stocks, Forex, indexes, gold, oil, all day, 24 hours a day. So when the market opens up, I already know what oil is going to do. I already know what gold's going to do. I already know what Forex is going to do. I already know what the US 30 is going to do before the market even opens up because I've been trading it. That's the advantage of having a trading academy. If you're a trader and you have an academy, you're going to learn how to use indicators better. You're going to learn how to use the indicators. You're going to learn how to mark up your trading view screen. You're going to learn how to put in signals. You're going to learn how to make money on the way down and short. These are all different things that you learn in the trading academy. So you naturally become a better trader. And as you become a better trader, you start realizing, oh my goodness, I was trading blind. And then once you become a better trader, you start winning more, you start making more money, and then you realize that you needed more training. You needed more tools. Well, guess what? I got all those tools now. So if you guys feel like you need more training, if you feel like you need more tools, just email me. Love to have you be a part of the team. And you too can have more tools to become a better trader. And then join our team. And we call trade ideas all day long, both in and outside of the academy. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, gold, oil, You name it, we talk about it. And we have members that are already making thousands of dollars a day. We have some making hundreds of dollars a day. And we have some that are about to start making hundreds and thousands of dollars a day. And as we get bigger and as we get better, more and more people will join. More and more people will have success. And more people will become better traders. And as you see what's happening here, we don't have too many junk stocks that we even talk about anymore because the community brings good picks. Everybody's bringing good picks. That means this community is getting better. You guys are getting better. I'm getting better. We're all getting better. We're going to keep getting better. As we trade more, we will get better. We're learning through osmosis. That's what I always say. We're learning through osmosis. Dixie says, check Tesla hit a low at 500 and can sell for 550. 10%. 10% gain right there. Infinite Possibility says, what if you only have a small account, Rich? It doesn't make sense to buy 1 or 2 shares of big companies. Well, it depends. Like if you're buying shares of Visa, Mastercard, American Express, and you buy them at the lows, and then they move up 10, 20%, now you're making 10, 20%. So it's the same if you make 10, 20% on Visa or Mastercard as if you make 10, 20% on a penny stock. Now, penny stocks can be really, really good. You could explode and make 100, 200%. 500%, 1,000%, but you could also lose all your money. That's the problem with penny stocks. They're penny stocks for a reason. They don't have a lot of money. Those are typically the penny stocks, the ones that don't have a lot of money, right? They're not well funded. They're not well capitalized. So they're constantly selling stock to raise money, which is driving their price down. Those are typically what you would call a penny stock. But companies that are real businesses, big businesses, are trading at higher prices because they have more money in the bank. More money in the bank means they're a better business. More money in the bank, a profitable business that's reporting successive quarter after quarter of revenue growth is the type of business you want to invest in. That's how you make money. And if you do that, you're going to win. And if you buy the best companies in your portfolio, you're protecting your portfolio. If your portfolio is filled with penny stocks and you've got 50 grand, 100 grand in there, you're doing it backwards. If you got 50 grand, 100 grand in the market, you should be owning Visa, Mastercard, American Express, TD Bank, RBC, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, Tesla. Those should be the stocks you own, not 50 grand in penny stocks. You should own 50 grand, 100 grand of the big stocks, and then maybe have 5 or 10 grand in penny stocks. That's how you should be doing it, not the other way. And if you're looking at your account and it's all penny stocks, you got it all backwards. That's not how you create wealth. That's not how the rich get richer. The rich get richer by buying Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Amazon, Google. I mean, just look at Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal was one of the first early investors in Google. Shaquille O'Neal was one of the first early investors in Google. He said that investment made him over $100 million. Over $100 million he made on that investment. That's all I got to say, man. An early investor in Google was Shaquille O'Neal. People think he made all his money in basketball, and yeah, he made a lot of money in basketball. He also made a lot of money on Google. So if Shaquille O'Neal can make it big on Google, then we can make it big on stocks too. We just got to find the next Google. And I believe that we are finding those stocks and we're going to get better. Like, look at Baby. Baby's been an absolute gem for us. And I believe we're going to find more babies. We will. But as a community, we just have to keep looking. We have to keep researching. We have to keep finding. And we have to keep evaluating everything in the market, watching the news, watching the trends, and following the trends. Don't go against the trend, okay? Go with the trend. But we knew that oil was at an all-time low. That was the buying opportunity because now oil is shooting back up. We all knew this was going to happen, but everybody has a little bit of doubt. So that's why a lot of people don't buy on those dips. But the people that bought those dips or the people that shorted it down made a killing. That's the markets. Got to have the tools so that when oil's going down, you're shorting and making money. Oh, oil's going up. You're making money on the way up. You got to have those tools. Those are the tools that we have in the Trading Academy. Okay, guys, I wanted to share those picks with you guys. Another big day for our community. Congratulations to all the winners. Huge day for everybody. Let's just go over it again because we're seeing a lot of green today, guys, in our picks. Bex, BEX, they're up today. They're now at 11 cents. AGN, Algernon Pharmaceuticals, up 5%. Barrick Gold, they're up 6%. Nova Gold, they're up 6%. Kinross Gold, they're up 7.9%. All companies that I've been talking to you guys about almost every single day. Look at this, guys. African Gold Group up 18% after I did the video yesterday. Now at 29.5 cents. African Gold Group up 18%. AGG in Canada, 12% in America. AGGFF in America. I brought you this pick yesterday. They are up big today. African Gold Group and Mind Medicine, MMED, another one I brought you guys first. Mind Medicine, MMED. Let's just check the price there. 69 cents. Yeah, so I see them at 69 cents, and they're up 6%. So a lot of our picks just screaming today. Great day for the members. Congratulations to everybody on all your winning today. And that's what we're all about here, guys. If you're not winning, you're not watching, we bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. And we did it again. We did it again. We did it again. We did it again. African Gold Group, our number one secret gold pick yesterday, up 18% today. We did it again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the 70 likes. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I'm going to go do some trading. I want to finish off the day strong too. Later tonight, we will be trading live with Antoine. If there's any other trainings, I will let you guys know if you're part of the Trading Academy. If you're not part of the Trading Academy, why the heck not? Email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. Two bills, $200 away from joining us in the Academy and learning actually how to trade and making money in the markets. 2 bills away. Email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. We got members that are 71 years old signing up. We got members that are 18 years old signing up. And you too can join the Trading Academy and be trading with your boy live tonight. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace. Just call in winners, guys. Invest in the best. Because you deserve the best. And forget the rest. It's true. Peace.